A grander sense of place, beyond four walls, immersed in this space. The wind harmonizing to the trees, ever so luscious and green. Watch them sway while pausing and holding them in frame. For this is what it means to be present, especially on a day like today. Should the cresting sun not show its face, find intricacies elsewhere, like in precious petals on the sacred ground below. Yet should the rays gleam and glow, rejoice bystander to the warm tones. I often consider what is made out to be mundane, just opposite of that, far from plain. Take the tweeting bird nesting just above, conversing with its kind, in a sweet melodic sound. One might merely pass it by, that is, until you lend an ear to its crafted tune. What if people were in some ways the very same, apathetic to an unfamiliar or familiar face, heads down, safeguarding humanity from the start? May we revisit simpler days outside our lost ways by sharing moments with our beloved kind, people. You and me, together might we be, present, with the sacred ground below and the stories told, for a voice is only heard by those willing to dwell. Even in the places far from home, it is here we convene.